So hello friends, it's Adit and welcome to yet another video. So in this video, I plan to say CPL 2020 first match Trinbago Knight Riders vs Guyana Amazon Warriors review. So hello and welcome to yet another live commentary, this time in CPL 2020. Look, to be honest, I am 100% sure that you have missed cricket badly, especially T20 cricket. So for just cheering you up, Indian Premier League sister CPL has kicked off 3 days after India's 74th Independence Day. So as all West Indies fans and other CPL fans have been itching to see this league kicking off, so the first match between TKR versus Guyana Amazon Warriors will be a high thriller as both these teams have mighty players in their team, and also at correct 5:30 PM maybe everyone will be switching on the TV and seeing the match. But I think so 2020 is not just a year for us, as now itself the rain has interrupted the game in the league in the legendary Brian Lara Stadium in Trinidad. A disaster for everyone and will be fed up. The players are watching it from the pavilion and has been talking to the coach about what is their plan. But meanwhile, I have a plan for you guys, as we have already known that the pitch in Brian Lara Stadium assists to the team that bat first. What I'm trying to say is that you can be a major factor leading into the match. The pitch will also get more slower when the team is chasing, and thus it will be difficult for the chasing team to chase the total. So the key factor leading to the first match in CPL 2020 would be that just win the toss, choose to bat and score many runs in the scoreboard. Also, both the teams have high-ranked spinners that can also prove a big factor in this T20I match. So welcome back to the cricket T20I world. After a slight trouble of rain, the sun had returned and now the players are getting ready. But still it will take a 5 more minutes for umpires inspection. But I think so everything will be fine out there. Meanwhile, Indian wicketkeeper batsman Dinesh Karthik has also said he is in support of Trinbago Knight Riders and has also congratulated all the teams participating in the Caribbean Premier League. TKR, Trinbago Knight Riders, as we all know, are the sister franchise of KKR in IPL. Interestingly, both these teams are owned by the Bollywood king Shah Rukh Khan. The players along with the coaches are out there in the middle and are just inspecting the pitch and are talking to each other. We hope that we will see a good piece of T20 cricket after more than 5 months. A long wait. I think so both the teams have some experienced players in their playing 11, including the TKR captain Kieron Pollard, who is playing for Mumbai Indians in IPL. Guyana Amazon Warriors newly skipper Chris Green has also been brought to the Indian Premier League by Kolkata Knight Riders, this time in the IPL 2020 auction. The conditions look good in the West Indies in Trinidad and play will start shortly after. The toss, both the captains Kieron Pollard for TKR and Chris Lane for Guyana Amazon Warriors are in the middle. But before I say what had happened, I would like to say a bit of news. The first match of CPL 2020 has been now reduced to a 17 per side contest instead of a 20-over full match. Now we can see the probable 11 of both the teams. If you are looking at Trinbago Knight Riders, I will go with the likes of Lendl Simmons and Colin Munro as openers. At 1 down, I will go with Sunil Narayan. At number 4, I will go with Tim Seifert. At number 5, Darren Bravo. At number 6, Kieron Pollard. At number 7, Dwayne Bravo. At number 8, I will go with Kari Pereira. I will go with Kari Pereira. At number 9, Fawad Ahmed. At number 10, Muhammad Ali Khan and Praveen Tambe. So if you're looking at Guyana Amazon Warriors probable 11, I go with the likes of Brandon King, Chandrapal Hemaraj, Shimron Hetmaya, Nicholas Puran, Ross Taylor, Sherfin Ritford, Kimo Paul, Chris Green, Romario Shepherd, Dean Smith and Imran Tahir. So now guys, we can come back to the toss. Trinbago Knight Riders have won the toss and choose to bowl. Well, I am a bit confused because this pitch does not favor for the chasing team. but I think so Goanna Amazon Warriors will have the upper hand in the game. Now we can look at the playing 11 of both the teams. TKR, Lendl Simmons, Colin Munro, Darren Bravo, Tim Seifert, Kieron Pollard, Dwayne Bravo, Sunil Narayan, Fawad Alam, Alexander Raza, Jaden Seals and Ali Khan. Goanna Amazon Warriors, Brandon King, Chandrapal Hembaraj, Shimron Hetmyer, Nicholas Pooran, Ross Taylor, Sherfin Rutherford, Kimo Paul, Romario Shepherd, Naveen Al-Haq and Imran Tahir. So the players are out in the middle and the game is starting. Well, Goanna Amazon Warriors lost 2 wickets of Brandon King and Chandrapal Hemraj. The score reached 24 for the loss of 2 wickets with Shimron Hetmyer 15 and Ross Taylor 1. End of the 4th over. It is 25 for the loss of 2 wickets in the 5th over, which is bowled by Fawad Alam. First ball 4. Good shot by Hetmyer, fuller in length and Hetmyer just beautifully drives it for a boundary. Second ball, top edge but safe. Hetmyer looking for a consecutive boundaries but gets a top edge but falls safe. The batsman quickly takes a single. Decent over by Ahmed, just giving 3 runs. So the score reached 36 for the loss of 2 wickets with Hetmyer 21 and Taylor 3 in the middle. Also, it is the end of the power play. 6th over to be bowled by Sunil Narayan. First ball, Hetmyer pulls it for a single. Second ball, Narayan to Taylor. This time hits to the onside for a single. Third ball, Narayan to Hetmyer, 2 runs. Good running between the wickets. Hetmyer pulls to the vacant mid-wicket area and runs 2. Fourth ball, Narayan to Hetmyer, single. Sensible batting from Hetmyer brings Taylor back on strike. Fifth ball, beautifully bowled by Narayan. Flighted ball by Narayan which Taylor looks to defend but spins back sharply and somehow missed the stumps. Sixth ball, 6. What a shot! A Jaffa shot from Taylor to end the over. Comes down the track and whips it powerfully for a 6. First 6 in CPL 2020 by an overseas player. 7th over to be bowled by Jaden Seals. First ball, beautifully length to start with. Shimron looking to defend but gets a thick outside edge for a single. Second ball to Taylor, beautiful bowling again. Seals looking to swing the ball in and gets it, but somehow or other Ross Taylor gets a thick outside edge to his pads. Third ball, 6. Beautiful shot again from Taylor. On the pads, Taylor just whips it for a 6. For a second 6 in the innings and in the CPL 2020. Fourth ball, dot ball. This time around, Jaden Seals comes back roaring by a sharp bouncer in which Ross Taylor ducks under. Fifth ball, Ross Taylor defends it but calls for a straight single. Even though Hetmyer was a bit slow, he made it through. Last ball of the over, dot ball. Hetmyer looking to advance the run rate but misses it completely. So it is a dot ball. Score 60 for the loss of 2 wickets in 8 overs. Fawad Ahmed to bowl the 9th over. He concedes 10 runs with Taylor scoring 6 runs of them. The score reads 70 for the loss of 2 wickets in 9 overs. The 10th over to be bowled by Sunil Narayan. First ball to Hetmyer, 2 runs. Brings up the 50 runs partnership as well. Good partnership between them. The second ball, Narayan to Hetmyer, single. Punches to the mid-wicket area for 1. Third ball, Narayan to Taylor, out. Yes, finally the threatening 51 runs partnership has been broken. Taylor looking to sweep powerfully, misses it completely and in the process lost his middle stump. Good piece of bowling by Sunil Narayan. New batsman in the crease, Nicholas Pooran. End of the wicket over by Narayan. Score is 77 for the loss of 3 wickets in 10 overs. 11th over to be bowled by Dwayne Bravo. First ball, Hetmyer punches to the mid-wicket for 2. Second ball, Bravo to Hetmyer, 2 runs again. Brilliant running between the wickets, punches it softly in the gap. Third ball, dot ball. Bravo bowls a well yorker and Hetmyer looks to squeeze in but misses the ball. So a decent over by Bravo, he has bowled well. The score reads 85 for the loss of 2 wickets in 11 overs. 12th over to be bowled by Narayan. First ball, dot ball. Hetmyer defends it calmly. Second ball, takes a single. Hetmyer calmly guides it to the third man area for a single. Third ball, Narayan to Nicholas Pooran, defends it. Fourth ball, Narayan to Pooran, takes a single. Fifth ball, Hetmyer on strike, takes a single. Sixth ball, Narayan to Pooran misses, looking to hit it out of the ground but misses it completely. 13th over to be continued by Bravo. First ball to Hetmyer, takes a single, taps it to the mid-wicket area. Second ball to Pooran, 6. Good shot by Pooran. Lofts it over the fieldsman for a boundary. Third ball, single. Sensible batting from Pooran, hits to the mid-wicket for a single. Fourth ball, well stopped. Hetmyer looking to hit a loose ball to the fence, almost caught it but was stopped by Dwayne Bravo. Fifth ball, but instead of a boundary, he gets 2 runs instead. Fifth ball, takes a single. Good shot, a well-directed bouncer that Hetmyer guides it for a single. Sixth ball, dot ball. Good ball by Bravo to end the 13th over. The 14th over to be bowled by Jayden Seales to Shimron Hetmyer. Single on the pads, it for a single. Second ball to Nicholas Pooran, dot ball. It was a good ball, short of a length, and Nicholas Pooran, without troubling it, ducks under it safely. Third ball to Nicholas Pooran, out. A brilliant catch by Dwayne Bravo to end a little cameo from Nicholas Pooran. He gets out from the crease, scoring just 18 runs and not much troubling on the board. So at the end of a innings, Guyana Amazon Warriors could only get 17 overs because of the rain restrictions, and so they have posted an average total of 144 on the board in the 17 overs they get. So that means TKR will need to get 145 runs to win the match in just 17 overs. So the second part of the match, I will upload it in my next video. So thank you for watching my channel. Kindly like, subscribe and comment, and for more such notifications of the World Cricket, kindly subscribe channel, and also kindly like, share and comment the video. Thank you.